Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, warm the engine 5 to 10 minutes to thin the oil, then shut off and engage the parking brake. Jack the car and secure with jack stands, never rely on the jack alone. Once supported, place a drain pan under the oil pan plug and loosen the oil filler cap to improve flow. You do this so oil drains smooth and air can replace liquid, preventing glugging and splatter. Once the drain plug is loosened, back it out slowly and let oil flow into the pan. This takes several minutes, so be patient. While oil drains, uncap the filter, turn counterclockwise, and expect a secondary stream. Replace the filter sealing ring and lightly lubricate it with fresh oil so it seats and seals properly. Make sure to inspect the drain plug and gasket for wear so you avoid leaks when reassembled. You reinstall the drain plug to manufacturer torque and thread the new filter hand tight. No over-tightening, then lower the car. Add the correct amount of 5W30 oil through the filler, check the dipstick until within the full range, and start the engine briefly to circulate oil. Make sure to recheck the level and inspect for leaks after shutting off. If you see a drip, tighten the culprit. If oil pressure light stays on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.